What the heck does off exchange mean? Silly. The best non-Ohio health insurance marketplace plans. How's it going, everyone? I'm Joey Giangola with Giangola Insurance, and on today's health insurance break, we're going to discuss the top plans that you can purchase if you aren't buying from Ohio's health insurance marketplace. You may remember a few weeks ago we went through the top plans that you can buy inside of the marketplace. If you missed that video, you can go ahead and check that out right here. And it might be a little confusing. You might not have any idea what in or out of the marketplace means, or if you're hip to the insurance lingo, on or off exchange means. But don't worry, we're going to go through all of that right now and explain to you the very best plans Ohio has to offer. Now, just like that previous list, this list is also going to be very short and only feature plans from one health insurance company, and that company still is Medical Mutual. I cannot, for whatever, find it within myself to recommend a plan that is going to drastically limit your options or your freedom as far as how the plan is going to operate when there is a company that is not. I don't know how to put it more simply than that. So we'll get into that just a little bit more after the list, but here it is. We've only got two plans, and again, they're both from Medical Mutual, and they are their only two plans that they are offering that are not in the marketplace. So here's the list. Medical Mutual's Classic 500 Platinum Plan. This is the Cadillac of Cadillac plans. I guess maybe it's a Rolls-Royce plan, if you will. All right, it's probably not that good, but you get my point. This is the top of the line because there is no platinum plan offered from Medical Mutual inside of the marketplace. You have to purchase a plan outside of the marketplace to get it. It breaks down with a $500 individual deductible or $1,000 for the family, with a total maximum out-of-pocket of $1,750 per person or $3,500 for the entire family. You're also going to get a $20 office visit copay for your primary care doctor and a $40 specialist and urgent care copay. In addition to that, your prescription drug copays will be $10 for generics, $20 for preferred brand name medications, and $40 for your non-preferred brand name medications. It will also come standard with a $200 emergency room copay. Again, right there, that is the perfect example of that Cadillac plan. The only problem here is that it is going to be pretty pricey. So you're going to want to make sure that you've done your homework and that this plan is actually something that you need, not something you think you need. And number two, Medical Mutual's HSA 3000 Silver. I went ahead and saved the absolute best for last. This is hands down my favorite plan, period. A $3,000 deductible HSA is to health insurance like what peanut butter is to jelly, if you will. This is one of the most popular plans / deductible offerings that I've ever come across in my time in the industry. But like any good HSA, you're going to have 100% coverage after that deductible, and that means that once you pay that $3,000 or that $6,000 for the family, you will not pay any more money for covered in-network medical services for the rest of the year. And of course, you will not expect to find any copays for your doctor's office visits or your prescription medications here as well. Well, the worst part here is that HSAs are not nearly as affordable as they once were. With all of the 10 essential benefits and all of the other Obamacare goodness, well, they've closed that gap significantly, and HSAs are no longer as affordable as they used to be. Even with that, doesn't matter, they're still going to offer you the best bang for your buck, hands down. So what was I saying about those other health insurance companies? Like we talked about last time, companies like Anthem, SumaCare, even United Health One, they're drastically reducing the options and choice that you have available to you. And if they're not doing that, well, then they're limiting the way in which you receive treatment. Again, I can't in good conscience tell you that those plans would be better for you when there is an option that pretty much exists under the same rules and structure that you've been used to and accustomed to today, just with a new fancy plan and a few new benefits. From everything that I've seen, it's not like you're paying extra for this either. What's the bottom line? Well, this whole inside or out or off or on, whatever the marketplace that you want to call it, can be a little overwhelming. If you have been financially successful over the last couple years or plan to be financially successful in 2014, well, congratulations, because these few plans will only be available to you in 2014. And they are some of the best offerings available. So if you're looking for even more information on Ohio's health insurance marketplace and what it means to you, well, I'd encourage you to go ahead and download our free ebook, How to Understand Ohio's Health Insurance Marketplace. It's going to walk you through everything that you need to know about the marketplaces and answer those questions on eligibility and exactly what it's going to do for you. So if you're interested in that, go ahead, click on the cover of this ebook right here to do that, or if you don't want to, you can grab the link below in the video's description. So of course, I do want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. It is fantastic of you, spectacular really. And if you found it helpful at all, just even in the slightest, I'd encourage you to go ahead and hit that like button to let others know that it might help them out as well too. And of course, I am Joey Jingola with Jingola Insurance. Take it easy, everyone.